Friend, if you are not highly educated and you don't have any skill, and of course you will know how to open the website and how to play the game. If you can play the game and see the ads of game, then watch this video with full attention and carefully, because today I'm sharing with you a platform there just you play game and watch ads and earn $5 to $10 daily very easily. The website is very authentic, trusted and valid. Thousands of people working on this website and earning good amount of money. You do not have much work on this platform. You just play the games and watch ads of games and copy paste work, and money of these ads will be transferred in your account very immediately. There is above 8 ways you can earn money on this website. The easiest of the play game and watch of games and copy paste work. As you know, the copy paste job is the easiest job of the world. Millions of people doing this job are earning millions of dollars. What is the website and how work on it and how you earn everything in detail to watch fully video. Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I am Noor. Very warm welcome in my channel Earn with Noor. Today in this video we discuss how we earn through play games and watch ads of game and copy paste work. Today I'm gonna share with you a platform. There is a million of people doing work and million of dollar earning. This is very authentic, trusted and valid platform. There you just need to create account and start working and start earning. On this website above 8 ways you can earn money. I think I'm never waste your more time. We go to computer screen and see how it start. If till yet you never subscribe my channel fast and press bell icon. So friend, let's go on computer screen and see how we start working on this website and how we start our fast earning. So friend, now we are on computer screen and here we need to open Google. I'm starting to open Google here. So I'm right here Google. So friend, now we open Google and here we need to open our required website. I'm right here our required website. Our required website is gab.ag, gab.ag. It is our required website. There we start our working and start our earning. So I'm right here gab.ag. So friends, see on the top we see gab.ag. So I'm click on gab.ag. So friends, after a few seconds it's open. See friend, it is a website. There we start our earning through games and watching ads. So this is a website, our member benefits and advertise with Gabs and etc. So first we need to check this website. It is original, trusted or fake or scam. So friends, we go again right here trust palette. We need to write here our gab.ag link. So I am write the www.gab.ag link. So see friends, Gap review is of 4.5 from 5. It is a very highly trusted and authentic and valid website. Their friends 5-star or 86% review 5-star. It means it is a very authentic, trusted and valid website. So many, almost million people are working on this website and earning on this website. So friends, again we go our original website. There we start how we start our earning. It is very easy and simple. If we are new user, then we click on register. If we have already our account on this website, so we click on login, but we are new on at this website, so we need to click on register and click here register. So friend, we need to give here our first name, last name and full name. I'm giving right here my full name and email ID and confirm email ID and username and password. We need to write here password So we confirm password here. So friends, term of service I have read, understand and agree to gap term and service. So we need to check this column and again we click on register. So friend, welcome to Gap. We have welcome to you as a new member of Gap. So a way advertising and earning on interested. So friends, we now we need to log in this again. We click on login. So we need to log in here. So friend, now we write here, write captcha here. So after our login in this website, they show our dashboard here. Account balance is 0, purchase balance is 0, and points is also 0, and reference is also 0. Of course, there is all thing is 0 because we are new user on this website. Then we need then you think how we start earning on this website. So we need to click on earn money, and here the so many options they give us to from earn money. So view ads, earn Bitcoin, Temwall, GapGrid, and Superpay, and Lotte Pille, and CPX, and Medium Path, and Offices, and Walls Office, and etc. So friends, here a lot of opportunity and lot of ways to earn money. So we click first of them. So I'm click on first of them. So views ads. So friend, till that we have not any earn money. So here the flood of ads we show here. And so friends, we need to click on one of them, and they after a few seconds the ad is showing us and we start our fast earning. So friends, we click on one of them and click the first ad. So waiting, Bitcoin is for viewing website. So friends, after adding, so we need to check the left side of this wave. So friends, click the upside down spec picture. You were credited. So friends, now I'm credited the first money here. If we click on account here, so see friends, my first $0.005 I'm get now to watching first ad. So friend, if we talk about the how we again watch the second ad on this website, so we again go on earn money and view ads. So friend, our first ad is complete now and second is ready now to watching and getting credit. So friend, I'm click the second ad. So after a few seconds it's also complete and they gives us again credit. So friends, so friend, you were credited. So again we are now get some more money here. If we talk about how many money we get again on second watching ads, so I'm click on account. So friends, so now our account is increasing to 0.005 to 0.001. It means we earn almost $0.001 here to watching 2 odds. So if we talk about the how many ways more on this website to getting earn money, so you need to try all, and it is also related gaming and also related some captcha and also related some more ad here. So I hope you like this website. My recommendation for you visit this website and create account on this website and start earning on this website. So friend, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, share with friends and subscribe my channel. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz and bye bye.